So, hi everyone, once again. I was supposed to do another bisque fire, but I thought I really want to see how the glazes work. And I have some test tiles that I wanted to try. So, I have a set of 9 tiles in here, which I placed on something called a cookie. So, a cookie is basically like a protective coaster. In case any of the glazes run, so if any of them drip, they will fuse to the cookie, which I can then discard. If I was to just put them in the kiln without any protection, they could fuse into the kiln and damage it, obviously. So I placed them on this little square cookie. These are glazes I usually use in the pottery studio that I go to, so I know pretty much how they are supposed to look like. They will obviously change color, so they were glazed with a brush on, but after firing they will look different. And in order for me to keep track of which glaze I used, I numbered them, so all of them have numbers underneath. So then once I find a glaze I like, I can just replicate it on a bigger piece. So once they are fired, they should look something like this. Depending on the glaze, they will obviously change the color. And basically I am trying to find the best glaze that I like. I also put the pyrometric cones for cone 5 and cone 6, although I'm pretty sure this is not going to work anymore based on the bisque firing, but I can always try with this one. I pre-grown scratch that. I changed the setting of the program to bisque fire, so we will be shooting from 50 degrees all the way to 1150, because I think this kiln overshoots only by 30 to 50 degrees, and those glazes should be fired at about 1200 degrees. So let's see how that goes. Well, yeah, what I will do now is I'll just place it in very gently. I need to make sure that they do not touch anything around in the kiln, because like I said, once the glaze melts, it will fuse with everything that it touches, so it would be good not to damage it on the first day of testing. So yeah, I will turn it on, shut it, and wish me luck. Hopefully it will work. Fingers crossed. Cheers.